Hey there, it's your friends at Patio Productions, and today we're talking about something that could completely transform your outdoor space: artificial grass for high-traffic areas. Artificial grass isn't just low maintenance and water-saving. Modern options look amazingly natural. But when you're dealing with patios and high-traffic zones, durability becomes your top priority. So what should you look for? First, understand your traffic patterns. Is your patio used daily by the whole family? Do pets race around there? Be honest about how your space is actually used. For material, polyethylene offers that perfect balance of softness and resilience for most patios. But if durability is absolutely critical, consider nylon. It's the toughest option out there. Pay attention to face weight. That's the amount of fiber in your turf. For high-traffic areas, aim for at least 70 ounces per square yard to ensure it lasts 12 to 15 years. The pile height matters too. For busy patios, stick to the medium range, about 1.25 to 1.75 inches. This gives you that natural look while still standing up to regular foot traffic. And here's a pro tip: proper installation is everything. Even the best artificial grass will disappoint if installed incorrectly. Sometimes it's worth hiring professionals to get it right the first time. For the complete breakdown on choosing artificial grass for your high-traffic outdoor space, check out the comprehensive guide linked in the description below this video. Or if you're ready to start shopping for luxury patio furniture and accessories to match your new turf, visit patioproductions.com to explore our outdoor living solutions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.